Hello students, as we completed electrolytic cell, today we are going to study electrochemical cell. In that two cells are there, galvanic cell and Daniell cell. Electrochemical cell means device in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. It is made up of two half cells, namely oxidation half cell, reduction half cell. Oxidation half cell is containing electrodes, is dipped in its own solution, is known as oxidation half cell, and the two half cell solution is connected by salt bridge. This is salt bridge. Two half cells, oxidation half cell, reduction half cell. In this is the electrode solution. For example, ZnSO4 solution, Zn electrode. Rod is there. CuSO4 solution, Cu rod is there. Salt bridge is U-tube. This is U-tube, inverted U-tube, which is fitted with the strong electrolyte. In this strong electrolyte is there, which is made up of KCl or KNO3. Function of salt bridge is to maintain the neutrality between the two half cell. Neutrality is maintained between the two half cell. The electrode of two half cell is connected by wire. These are the two electrodes connected with the wire. The principle of electrochemical cell is redox reaction. This is redox reaction principle of it is, in which oxidation reduction both takes place, is redox reaction. Cell representation, single line is known as cell difference and double line is known as is denoted with salt bridge. Oxidation, M to M plus concentration, salt bridge is there, M plus 2 concentration to M. Oxidation takes place, oxidation reduction takes place here. Reactions are there. Cell reaction at anode, oxidation takes place. Zn gives Zn plus 2 electron. Zn gives Zn plus 2 electron. Why it is oxidation? Because removal of electron is known as oxidation. Cathode reduction takes place. Cu plus 2 plus gain of an electron, Cu plus 2 electrons gives Cu. Net reaction, we will do the net reaction of the two electron cancel out, we will get this reaction. And the cell difference of a cell can be calculated. Cell potential, E cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode, otherwise we can tell E not right minus left, otherwise reduction minus oxidation, 3 of same. What is electrode potential? Standard difference between the two electrode is electrode potential. Cell potential is the potential difference between the two half cell is E cell. E naught cell. E naught cell is cell potential difference between two half cell. EMF, electromotive force, it is the difference between the two half cell when no current is passed, is applied to the circuit. This is the three difference and the electrochemical cell. Next time we will see standard hydrogen electrodes. Okay, thank you.